The first thing you'll need to do is add your images. You can do this a few different ways. 1, by uploading directly into the image block. 2, by utilizing your clipboard. Or 3, by using one of our mini stock images. Take some time to choose your images. You can store them on the clipboard to drop them into other blocks in your builder as well. After selecting your favorites, hit the green Insert button. Once you've added your images, it's time to customize. If you want to focus on a specific area in your image, be sure to set your focal point. You can also add a title, description, and link to your images too. Be sure to save your changes once you're done. You can further customize your image block by using one of our layouts. Layouts affect how your images, titles, and descriptions are displayed. We have layouts that show your text on hover, editorial layouts, and traditional gallery layouts with and without thumbnails. Find the one that works best for you. Before you save your layout, make sure to set your rows and columns depending on how many photos you want to show in the block. Your rows are horizontal while your columns are vertical. You can customize this block under the Advanced area. Keep in mind that these block settings will override the global settings you've set up. You can control the spacing, colors, and background of the block. Now you're set up to show off your best work.